Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Zero Design. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw a Chrome logo in Adobe Illustrator. So now let's start. First of all, go to File and select New Page. Make sure to take the size of the page 3000 pixel, 2000 pixel, and take the color mode RGB and hit the Create button. Now go to the ellipse tool and take the size of the circle and 500 1500. Hit create and make him there and take the copy with the help of Alt and Shift button. Press V selection tool and make the inside color off. Now again go through the polygon tool and take the size 750. Make it in the center, press V. Make sure align to selection is open. Now make it in the center. Now rotate it. You can also rotate it from here. Go to transform, rotate and rotate it and 180 degree. Now hold Shift button, make it in the center. Now take another circle with the size of 750, create it and also make him in the center. Now take another triangle with the same size, 750 pixel. Make it in the center and go to align. Now rotate it. Select all with the help of Control A. Now you can see the concept is made, and let's see that all sides are touches with the circle or not. So press V, make him in a little bit in upper side. Now check it again. That's okay. There now joining these sides. Zoom it to show that and remove all these sides. Press Alt Now it's look perfect. Again go through ellipse tool and take another circle with the size of 600 pixels. Okay, now make it in the center. Through a line selection, make him in the center. Now it's look perfect. Our logo is ready, and copy the color code. Paste him there. This is red, and also copy the another color green. 1DA462. One DA462. Great. Now copy the yellow color. FFCD46. Now another color, blue color, where the code is 4C8BF. Now guys, your logo is ready, and off the inside the color of the stroke. Now that's all, your logo is ready. Thank you.